Network integration. To start, you go to the official link, you go to the Discord, and then you'll find the official link where you can get everything you need. So I go here. First of all, gotta verify, and that's correct. I need to click here to verify to find the steps. Alright, once you're done here, you gotta do is you go to the official links. So here you got everything you want, the smart contract and everything. We move up to Step.app app or Step.network, whatever you want to go. So because now we're talking about Step.network, the new blockchain. So we go over Step.network, choose the domain, and we open up with MetaMask because we'll have to connect to our wallet. Or you can directly connect the link to MetaMask, to the MetaMask browser, but let's say this can actually prompt directly. You choose either if you want to open it on Google. If you're on your computer and it has a wallet connected to it, then you can use Google. In this case, since I have or Brave, whatever browser you're using, because I have MetaMask, so it prompts and I choose MetaMask. So I'll go ahead here and connect with my MetaMask. Now that I am connected to the Step network on my MetaMask, so I click to click chain integration. So that's how you integrate the Step network chain. And approve, and you can switch to the network. That means right now I am connected to the Step network blockchain. You can see here it's written Step network. We can double check. Go over the settings and check the network. That's correct. So we have MetaMask as mainnet. We have a custom network called Step network, and that's where we are right now. This actually, I mean, if you want to add it manually, those are the information you can add. Network name, Step network, RPC URL, rpc.step.network. The chain ID is 1234, and the symbol is FitFi. And if you want to see your transactions or whatever wallet's transaction, you can go to stepscan.io. But since the integration was done automatically, so I don't have to do anything, that means I'm connected now to the Step network. Now let's see what else we can do. Let's see what else we can do. So those are the steps. If you want to do it, since we've done already, we can stake FitFi for Genesis loot box. You can earn staking taxes. You can delegate your stake token to the net to some validators, and you can earn from Step app fee. So let's go to get started and see what we get from there. You can check out the menu too and see what do we get. Launchpad. What's there? Stake FitFi or apply for Launchpad. Now we connected to the network, so that means we are full. The project Step app. Let's see if we can access that part, because that's what we want. Let's stick to MetaMask. since we're already connected to the browser. So this is the app. See if there's any link we can download the Android version or whatsoever. So this is the app. Initially, when you try to connect it, because it was on Avalanche, now it will be saying that, oh, you're on the wrong network. Now that you're connected to the state network, so you are right where you should be, then we can, from there, you can explore multiple options like staking or whatever things you want to do. Go to staking page. There we go. Stick to the browser you're using, and then you should be good to go. Well, that's all for the State app integration. This is actually where you can connect your wallet. So I directly did that. Ta-da, connect my wallet. As you can see here, they say the mainnet staking migration has been completed, which means from Avalanche network to their own network right now, which is called State network. Everything's connected. You can send your feed fee to this particular wallet if you connect it. In my case, this is my wallet right here. I have 0 feed fee in it, so you can connect from any exchange. You send your feed fee to this account, the account you connected. I mean, it can be in your account. To wallet you connected, and then you go ahead, you stake your stuff. Then you're gonna generate token. You're gonna generate loot box ticket. Depends on how many feed fee you stake. So right here we are right there. So we have the loot box drop, and then you have the validator rewards. They will have their own DEX. Later on, they will have royalties on NFTs. Those are new features coming out for the full network. I'm sure they will have other application, other dApps integrating this network. Actually, it is a fork version of Avalanche. So it's not like fully different. It's pretty much the same structure as Avalanche. And if we go back to where we started, to the source, to the official link on Discord, very important. Don't click on random links. Go directly to the source. Here you have all information. Bridge. They even have a bridge, which is interesting, making multi-chain. They will have a swap. They will have a staking pool, and you can go Dex Tracker, Gecko Terminal to check everything going on this network. It's a full-fledged network. Means will have his own AMM, he's having his own swaps and everything. So it's important to explore that opportunity to get the first move on FitFi, because FitFi will be the native token. So make sure you get as much FitFi as possible. So FitFi is already listed on 20 exchanges: Bybit, OKX, Git.io, and more. So it's actually the contract. You got all you need right there. Follow them on Twitter and Telegram. Make sure you keep informed of moves. Don't rely only on official information, because they'll always say good things about the own project. You need to be out there with the people on Twitter to know what's going on, what are things people are complaining about, what are things people are happy about, and if there's any opportunity to take advantage of this new network, you can directly dive into it. That's it for today. We have shown you how to get into State network, moving from Avalanche network. There's actually the State app, moving from Avalanche to the own network. Stay tuned, and if you have any new network you want to know more information about it, send us a message in the comment. We'll be sure to make it. From
makes
now on,
everybody
we
hand
say
go up,
peace.
and they stay there.